Welcome to the Sleepypod Air Therapy installation video. Your Sleepypod Air Therapy system includes one Sleepypod Air Therapy Insert, one Respond Animal Therapeutics power control unit, one test magnet, and one universal charger for the power control unit. Let's install the Sleepypod Air Therapy Insert into your Sleepypod Air Carrier. First, remove the Ultra Plush bedding from the carrier and fully unzip the bed. Slide the PEMF Therapy Insert beneath the foam layer, making sure it lies flat with the cord extending from one end. Zip the bedding closed around the cord, allowing it to exit neatly from the side. Place the bedding back into the carrier with the cord positioned toward the rear ring. Feed the cord through the ring and gently pull any excess to the outside. Connect the power control unit to the insert. If the control unit does not power on, check that the connection is fully inserted and secure. Finally, place the power control unit in either the trolley pocket or the front pocket to keep it secure during transport. Your Sleepypod Air Therapy system is now installed and ready for use. Safe travels!